Let me tell you about Advanced Andy, and your name may not be Andy, but if you've been promoted from a technician role into a supervisory role, then you probably can relate. You were promoted because you were the best tech on the floor, but now you are drowning. The plant manager is breathing down your neck for uptime, and your crew is begging you for downtime that you can't get approved. You're managing by panic, not by a plan. You're trying to be the hero, but you're failing to be a leader. And the maintenance ROI masterclass replaces that panic with a system. With the ROI calculator and our one-page risk report, you stop being the complainer and you'll start being the financial advisor. You'll get the downtime you need, the budget you deserve, and the respect that comes with running a controlled, profitable department. Click the link in the description to enroll in the ROI 101 class.